Hello, my love. So today I have got an epic Chanel unboxing for you. I have got 4 things to show you. A couple of them were definitely planned. One was a complete surprise. You're not going to believe the price I paid for this item. And another one is pretty predictable for me. So if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Mel. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love for you to join my YouTube fam, and all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button and click that bell to be notified each time I upload. Don't forget, when you do click that bell, make sure you click all notifications so that you're notified. Because a lot of you told me you're not getting notifications when I post a video. So if you do click all, you will be notified each time. So I would love for you to join my Instagram family. So my handle is just Mel in Melbourne, same as YouTube. So if you want to see how I style the things that I buy and more shots with my daughter, product shots, just even videos with what fits inside bags. Sometimes I do a whole mix of things on Instagram. Do follow me there. I would love to have you. So if you haven't watched my previous video, which is come shopping with me and my mum to Chanel, I will link it above. But this video follows that vlog and you'll be really interested to see that because I do showcase a lot of the new goodies from the Paris, New York collection. And most importantly, I tell you prices and also some mod shots. So if you were interested in that, do go check that out. But let's get right into the unboxing. So first up, I'm going to show you, I've actually taken the box out already, but it was the item in this massive bag. From the vlog, you would have seen Mum and I coming out and she was holding this bag. So this bag is a gift for my mum for her birthday. It was planned because I knew that she wanted a Chanel bag and it was just a matter of time before the boutique got it. So I've just been waiting for it. And when it came in, I had to take mum in for the whole experience, champagne and trying all the bags and everything like that. So just really happy to buy a bag for one of her milestone birthdays. So it's in this box. I really wanted to get her to unbox it, but as you know from the vlog, she is so shy. So she's like, no, you just unbox it. And then I'm like, oh, come on, mum. And she's like, no. And I'm like, okay. So I'm unboxing it for her, but she has seen it. She's picked it. She's wanted this. So I'm just so glad that, you know, we could get it for her. So yes, camellia flower and the ribbon. And this is what my mum picked. So it's all wrapped up nicely. Just undo the paper. And so in this is just all the care booklet. So it's got this sort of dust cloth. Use these, guys. It's really helpful. I actually use these every week just to give my bags a once over. And it just helps get rid of, you know, some of the dust, and it just, you know, shines up my bag. So I always use that a lot. I've got to put that bag in for mum. And look how beautiful they always wrap it up. So this is the dust bag here. And it's a really big box for a little bag, but it's beautiful. Here it is. The beautiful, ever so popular Chanel Coco handle in the mini size. So the Coco handle does come in 3 sizes. I believe this is the mini. There's a small, and the small is actually not that small. It's quite big. And then there's another bigger size after that. Anyway, let me put this box down. So the bag that my mum chose is in black caviar leather with the gold hardware. It's still got the plastic on it. So this is sort of like antique gold hardware. And on the top handles, you're not going to be able to see, but it actually does say 31 Rue Cambon Chanel. The back does have, not sure what you would fit in that, but it does have a little pocket. To open it up, you just turn lock, and it does have the strap. And I will try it on for you. And let me just double check that they've got the authenticity card. But then I'll just show you the inside too. So inside, it is pretty small. So there's one pocket here, one pocket here. You can actually open up this little flap so you can put something there as well. And then it's got one zipper pocket, which I am going to open up. And yes, the authenticity card is in here. It's a 28 series. And this particular bag is made in Italy. So And this Coco handle, as you saw from the vlog, in this season, it comes in so many beautiful colors. Like I tried the turquoise on, that is gorgeous. It comes in gold, it comes in silver. The black is obviously the classic. And this is the detachable shoulder strap. So this is gorgeous because you can wear it as a shoulder bag. Mum really wanted a smaller size bag for her dinners. And so the handle is quite short. So as you can see me trying it on, definitely beautiful as a shoulder bag. You can wear it handheld. You can wear it at the crook of your arm, but it is way too short to wear crossbody. But what you can do is you can attach another sort of, strap to it and use it as a crossbody bag if you wanted to do that. This bag has gone up so much in price. I actually do not own a Coco handle, but I know it is such a popular bag because of the price point. But guys, I remember when this came out, a couple of years ago, the price was like $1,000 something cheaper. Let me share with you the price. So the price of this is 5,260 Australian dollars. So yes, I remember when I nearly bought this bag 2 years ago, I think it was about 4,200 for this mini size. So I think because of the popularity and because of the price point, they've just upped it and people are still buying it up. I know whenever a black one comes in, it just sells out the day it comes in. And so I'm just really glad that we got the black because it is classic. It's not part of their classic range yet, but I can foresee it, being a classic. Yeah, and I'm just thrilled that we can get her this special bag for her birthday. So that is the very first item. Next up is something completely unexpected. I was shocked to be able to find this, and it is in this bag here, but it's not a new item. It is actually, so this is my own bag, obviously, a vintage item. I cannot believe that I even found this. Like, you guys know that I love vintage shopping, not just vintage shopping, but I love op shopping. And I wish I could sort of like go out more and op shop because sometimes you can just find the coolest things. Anyway, I was at one of my local, I wouldn't say it's an op shop. It's sort of like a place that's a mix of like, they have designer, sometimes designer items go there, but it's a mix of sort of like, it's more like an upmarket op shop or thrift shop. Anyway, I know the lady there because I've been going there for years. I popped in and she said, Mel, something came in. I have to show you. It is something from Chanel. So look at this dust bag. It is so old. And what I got from there is this Chanel vanity case. And this is in patent. Now, one thing that you have to be mindful of when it's a vintage patent is sometimes it's really sticky. I would say the condition of this is very good. It's not pristine because there are some, I don't know if you can tell, there are some slight marks down the bottom. But honestly, and also on the tabs here, you can see that it's lost some of its color here. I don't know if that's picking up, and here, but generally it's not sticky. When I open the bag up, so inside it's still relatively clean. It's all in that sort of like leather. I don't even know if it's leather, but it's, that wipeable material. And best of all, it comes with its original authenticity card. It's actually a 3 series, and a 3 series means that it's from approximately 1994 to 1996. So that makes this little vanity bag about 23 to 25 years old. And for that age, I think this condition is pretty good. Everything's clean, and this bag here, it even has, I don't know, this old sticker. I think this one may have come from Japan. Oh, actually, no, it's 96. It says 24th. I've just seen this. 24th of the 4th, 96. So it's 96. So that makes it 23 years old. There's another gold sticker here that I just found. And usually from those bags, I've seen that usually they come from Japan, I think. Anyway, she was pretty certain it was authentic. From what I've seen and my knowledge, I do not think this is inauthentic, but I am going to get it authenticated. I haven't yet, but she's amazing because I've been there for years. She goes, if you find that it's not authentic, Mel, just bring it back. But I paid $110 Australian for this, and I think that is just such a bargain. And yeah, she's really good to me because if I pay cash, I get like 10% off, so it's like $100. So I think that's really good. And this one is made in Italy. So that was something I had no idea. It's just sometimes luck of the draw, you can find this. It's been a while since I found something at, a thrift or op shop. I did show you, I found a vintage Fendi bag one time. It was in my entire vintage designer handbag collection. If you haven't seen that, I will link it above. But guys, do check out vintage or pre-loved. I know sometimes it can be hard to find, but generally speaking, Japanese resellers, like if you're looking at them from eBay, they're pretty reputable. But yeah, I just love vintage pieces because you don't see them as much in the marketplace. And I did a little survey on my poll, and it seems like about 60% of you like them too. But anyway, this is my new to me 23-year-old Chanel vanity bag. So after I went with mum, a couple of days later, I had already been eyeing a certain item that I knew I definitely wanted in that collection. But I knew that Melbourne, I think we're only getting 2 pieces in. So I was like, please, 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 if you get it, call me. But anyway, I'll show you one item that I've been thinking about. I wasn't sure, but I wanted to see in real life. And it comes in this little bag here. And from the size of the box, you may guess it because I think I am pretty predictable that way, but I'm just going to open it up and show you. So in here I got, let me just open it, and it is, hold on, are you calling out what I've got because it's pretty obvious? These beautiful dangly earrings from the new collection. So the new collection is the Paris, New York Métiers d'Art collection. And you would have seen from my vlog that it has a lot of gold in it. It's got, Egyptian influences in there, a bit of 80s. It is pretty special because it was Karl Lagerfeld's last collection. Well, it was the last collection that he actually walked the runway. So it is pretty special. There are other pieces that I'm still really wanting, but I'm just thinking about them for the moment. But this one here, I just love these earrings. So as you can see, they are pretty long. And yeah, I just love that one says Coco and Chanel, and that is sort of what it looks like on me. So it is pretty long, but I love a dangly pair of earrings. So you guys also know I'm a little bit obsessed with Chanel earrings. I have cut back a lot, but yeah, I just couldn't say no to these because I thought they were pretty special. And the final item, which I am the most excited about, this is the one that, when I knew it was coming out, I was planning this already. So I'm like, if it comes in, I want it. So it came in, and it is in this box here. I'm just so excited. And let me just take the ribbon off. Okay, guys, this is exciting. And it is a magnetic, where's the magnetic box? Here again, the care booklet. And this has got another booklet because I will reveal all. This is a dust bag. It is so good. They're so lovely. My essay that helped me was so lovely because he gave me another dust bag, because this is actually the dust bag that comes with the classic flaps. But you'll know why I'm so excited. It is the Chanel reissue bag. Let me just take this off. In the size mini in the color red. How beautiful is that? Okay, let me put all this down. Now, the reason why I said this book is special is because when you buy a Chanel reissue, let me just open this up. I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, this is the booklet that comes with it when it tells you how the reissue bag is made. And for those of you that haven't seen my Chanel reissue versus classic flap comparison, I will also link that up above and below. It's very informative. It just tells you the differences between both of them. Why the reissue is so, the 2.55 reissue I would say, is because this is Coco Chanel's original design. So I'm just so glad I have this. I'm a huge fan of this bag. I do own it in the bigger size. So the Chanel reissue, they call this mini. In our sort of luxury community terms, I don't know why we came up with these names, but this is the mini or the 224. I also own the next size, which Chanel's call small, or the 225, and then the 226, which they call medium, and then the large, which is the 227. So it comes in 4 sizes. So I've got 3 of those sizes. And the reason why this is so coveted this season is because if I open it up, it does not have that other flap. Without the additional flap, it makes this considerably cheaper and much more affordable. So this chain, you know what? Let's peel this blue sticker off together because, yeah, you just can't see something so satisfying about peeling these stickers off together. Okay, that took a lot longer than I thought. But I just want to show you that it is in this beautiful, so this is, oh, there's still another sticker. It is, oh, that's all the way through. Now you can see this beautiful, shiny gold hardware. So my other reissue doesn't come with shiny gold hardware. It comes with, one is ruthenium and one is also sort of like more matte gold. So let me show you inside. As I said before, it only is, doesn't have the double flap, just a single flap. It's got one pocket and a zip pocket, which in here has the authenticity card. And yes, it is a 28 series. And this one here is special too because it has got the 4 grommets. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me tell you the price of this. And it is 4,760 Australian dollars. So this is the same price as the Chanel rectangular mini, and it is a huge price difference. As I said to you before, the next size up of this one, which is the 225 in the size small, I revealed that price in my last vlog, but it was around like $8,200. So as I said, it's a huge price difference. That's why I think that these guys have been selling out so well. In this season, it comes in black, it comes in a navy, this red, it also comes in the green, which I showed in my vlog, and I think it comes in a turquoise, but I haven't seen the turquoise in real life. I also forgot to share with you the price of these earrings, and these earrings was 1,150 Australian dollars. So yes, I love this. As you can see me trying it on, it looks beautiful on the shoulder. It looks amazing crossbody. For reference, I'm 164 centimeters tall. So I think for those people that are, you know, maybe 170 centimeters or taller, you might find it sits a little bit shorter crossbody, but for me, it's a beautiful length. And honestly, I like that the bottom of this, the reissue, is sort of flat. You know, it is sort of a bit saggy. I won't be, you know, straightening mine out. I actually love this. If you want to know more about this, refer to my reissue versus classic flap comparison. I explained that there. And yeah, I'm just so glad to be able to add this. I love this red. It's a very hard red to capture because sometimes it looks like a true red and then other times it looks like a brick red, and yeah, I just love it. And yeah, it is in, I forgot to say, an aged or distressed calf skin. That's why it is sort of wrinkly. Some people love it, some people don't. I am a huge fan of this distressed calf skin. And yeah, the back, did I show you? Yeah, the back's just got the Mona Lisa pocket. And these chains, I'm a huge fan as well. So that is it, guys. That is my Chanel haul. I'm so happy to be able to share it with you and be able to get mum this bag because she's been waiting on it for ages, and to pick up a couple of goodies and to show you my vintage find too, because I love being able to show you not just new things but pre-loved and vintage items, because as you know, that's sort of like my style. I love mixing vintage, high street and designer fashion together. So if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please comment below what was your favorite item from this haul. Thank you again so much, guys, for watching. Have a fabulous day or night. I love you heaps, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.